Once upon a time.
In a picturesque meadow, Skylar the inquisitive bird soared gracefully, relishing the freedom of the open sky. One day, Skylar encountered a mystical feather shimmering with an otherworldly glow. Upon touching the feather, Skylar felt a surge of energy, granting the gift of glimpsing into the future. Excited and intrigued, Skylar began to explore the vast possibilities of his newfound ability. Skylar's predictions were astonishingly accurate, and soon other birds sought his guidance for important decisions. Word of Skylar's visionary wings spread, and birds from neighboring meadows flocked to seek his insights. In the heart of the colorful meadow, Skylar, the visionary bird, became a respected seer, using his extraordinary gift to guide the avian community toward a harmonious future.